Rooster fish time!
He right here behind the boat. Get this line right here, somebody. Yeah.
Oh my God! What
Wait,
the
you
fuck?
good, you good, you good, you good, you good. You good. Whew.
What the fuck?
I don't know. Oh, it's right here.
Wait.
It broke off. Don't worry about it. It broke off. It broke off.
It's under you?
Yeah. It's over top me.
All right.
There you go. All right. Oh yeah, Rooster. Yep, right here. There you go, right here, see. Woo. Yeah. Oh, no, he's caught in the boat. He caught in the boat. No, he right over here, see. Got him?
No.
I'm trying to.
Take off the lock.
Oh, take off.
It's inside too there.
Oh, he tried to the thing. There you go, go ahead. He right here, see. I got
Problem.
Yeah, he swam, he cut to the hole.
We have problem here.
No, we don't. Watch this.
It's okay,
We got it. We got it. See, is the man. I got it. God damn. How did Rooster get up? He came on the back of the boat. He was right here for a second. He was right here. There you go, right there. There you go, right there, see.
Very nice life.
Yeah.
There.
Yeah. Fuck.
That was almost a... Woo!
Chris, you gotta get a picture of this one.
You already know what I'm doing.
Oh, shit. Yeah, he's bigger than what he was yesterday. This time I'm gonna hold him right.
Okay.
All right. Oh, look at that. Look at them feathers sticking up too. The feathers are up.
You gotta hide these fingers on the other side. If you can. Get him up under his gill plate. Because your hands are gigantic. There you go. Ready? Got it.
Woo! Ah.
Nice.
He bit the mackerel?
Yeah.
Jesus. That's a big ass fish. Joe, what the heck happened, see? What happened?
I don't know, man.
The fish jumped on the back of the boat, went through the slit. Oh my